Why automate your daily to-do list?
Automating your to-do list saves time, reduces stress, and helps you stay consistent. By using free digital tools, you can ensure your daily tasks are always organized and visible. Automation also lowers the chance of forgetting something important, allowing you to focus your energy on getting things done instead of managing reminders manually.
Choosing the right free tools.
Several free platforms help automate daily tasks seamlessly. Google Tasks and Microsoft To Do are popular choices for basic lists. For more automation, try pairing Google Calendar with Google Sheets. Workflow automation services like Zapier and IFTTT connect these tools, letting you create custom automations at no cost for basic use.
Setting up automatic task creation.
The previous user message. In Google Calendar, set recurring events for daily tasks. With Google Sheets and Zapier, you can schedule a sheet to reset or update your list every morning. Zapier can then send those tasks to your favorite to-do app or email.
Syncing tasks across devices.
A key advantage of automation is keeping your list updated everywhere. Free apps like Google Tasks sync across your phone and computer. With workflow tools, you can have new tasks appear instantly on your devices. This means your to-do list goes wherever you do, always up to date.
Tips for making your automation stick.
Once start simple and build up gradually. Test your system for a week and adjust it as needed. Set your automation to trigger at the time you usually plan your day. Regularly review your list for accuracy. With a reliable automated routine, you'll find staying productive easier than ever.